How to clean a fiberglass tub. Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into a topic that's essential for every homeowner: how to clean a fiberglass tub. Fiberglass tubs are lightweight, durable, and cost-effective, making them a popular choice in bathrooms. However, they do require special care to keep them looking spotless and to avoid scratches or discoloration over time. In this video, we'll guide you step by step through the best methods for cleaning your fiberglass tub, using products that are effective yet gentle enough for the surface. Whether you're tackling soap scum, hard water stains, or just everyday dirt and grime, we've got you covered. We'll also share some important do's and don'ts to protect your tub's finish, along with eco-friendly cleaning options if you prefer to go green. By the end of this video, you'll not only know how to clean your fiberglass tub thoroughly but also how to maintain it to keep it shining like new for years to come. So grab your cleaning supplies, and let's get started. Welcome to Best Choices. This video will tell you how to using detergent, cleaning with baking soda, and polishing your fiberglass tub. Now let's get started. Method 1. Using detergent. Number 1. Mix 1 quart, 0.95 liters, of warm water with half a cup, 125 milliliters of detergent. You can use a dishwashing or liquid laundry detergent. Mix the ingredients together until they are well combined. Avoid abrasive cleansers like scouring powders. Number 2. Rinse the tub with water. Use a bucket or a pitcher to rinse your tub. Make sure all of the surfaces that you want to clean are wet. Alternatively, if you have a removable shower head, then you may use this to rinse your tub. Number 3. Apply the solution with a sponge. Use a circular motion to scrub the tub with the sponge. You can use a toothbrush to clean small crevices. Make sure to use gentle applicators like sponges, cloths, and scrub brushes made from polyester, polyethylene, or nylon. Abrasive applicators like steel wool and scouring pads will scratch your fiberglass tub. Number 4. Rinse the tub thoroughly. Use a bucket or a shower head to remove all traces of residue and soap. You may need to rinse your bathtub 3 to 5 times. Number 5. Dry the tub with a towel. This way you can prevent water from pooling in the corners and crevices of your tub. Pooling can cause mildew, mold, and bacteria to grow. Drying the tub will also prep it for polishing, if you choose to polish your tub. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 2. Cleaning with baking soda. Number 1. Mix 3 parts baking soda to 1 part water to form a paste. Make sure the paste is thick, similar to the consistency of toothpaste. You want the paste thick enough so that it can stick to the sides of your tub. For extra cleaning power, add in 2 to 3 tablespoons, 30 to 44 milliliters, of vinegar. If your paste is thin, then just add more baking soda until it forms a thick paste. Number 2. Apply the paste with a sponge. Apply the paste to both the sides and bottom of the tub. Then let the paste set for 30 minutes. Depending on how dirty your tub is, you may need to let the paste set for a longer amount of time, like an hour or so. Number 3. Scrub the paste off. Do this once the paste has set for the allotted time. Use a nylon brush to scrub the paste off to avoid scratching your tub. Number 4. Rinse the bathtub with water. Using a bucket or a shower head, make sure to rinse it thoroughly until the residue is gone. Then dry your tub with a clean towel. Number 5. Remove tough stains with nail polish remover. Dip a cotton ball or a clean, white cloth in the nail polish remover. Gently rub the tough stains individually until they are gone. Wipe the areas with a clean, wet cloth, and then dry them with a clean towel. Alternatively, you can use turpentine to remove tough stains. Because these solvents are highly flammable, do not use them near open flames or heat, and make sure the area is well ventilated. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 3. Polishing your fiberglass tub. Number 1. Apply a marine-grade rubbing compound with a soft cloth. Working in small sections, apply the compound onto the sides of your tub, paying special attention to dull spots and scratches. Do not focus on one area for too long. The compound may burn the fiberglass if you do. You can purchase the marine-grade compound from your local hardware or automotive store, as well as online. Number 2. Buff each section with a terry cloth. Do this right after applying the compound. Using a circular motion, rub the sections with the cloth to buff them. Number 3. Apply a car wax in small sections with a soft cloth. Any type of car wax will work, however, apply the wax per the instructions on the bottle. Make sure the wax gets inside small crevices in the tub. Try to avoid applying wax onto the bottom of your tub. The wax will make your tub very slippery. If you do use wax on the bottom of your tub, make sure to place a bath mat in the tub afterwards to avoid slipping. Number 4. Rub the sections with a terry cloth in a circular motion. This will buff the wax. Rub the sections until all of the wax is removed and the surface shines. Number 5. Rinse the tub with cold water. Use a bucket or a shower head to do this. Rinse your tub 2 to 3 times. Then, dry it with a clean towel. Make sure to use cold water so the wax will harden. It is recommended that you polish your fiberglass tub twice a year. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Tips. 1. Prevent mold and mildew by removing soil and moisture. Towel down the shower after each use. Improve ventilation by using the exhaust fan every time you shower. Open a window, or if you don't have a window or ventilation is poor, get a dehumidifier for the bathroom. 2. Bath mats with suction cups are good for safety, but they're also a breeding ground for mold and bacteria. Wash them every week and replace them every 2 years to help prevent mold problems. 3. Shower caddies or shower nooks tend to harbor mold and mildew. Remember to empty and clean these areas whenever you clean your shower. 4. Once your fiberglass shower stall is sparkling clean, you can use fiberglass boat wax to provide a protective coating on the walls, allowing water to run right off without spotting. However, never use the wax on the floor because it can leave a slippery finish. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no.